When it comes to end-of-line packaging automation, your system is only as reliable as the cases it runs. Corrugated regular slotted containers, or RSCs, must meet precise quality standards to ensure consistent performance at high speeds, minimal downtime, and protection of your product. In this video, we'll show you how to evaluate the 6 critical elements of a well-manufactured RSC, so you can identify, specify, and source cases that are automation ready. For automated erecting, packing, and sealing, a case must be square and manufactured to tight dimensional tolerances. A skewed or out-of-square case creates misfeeds, jams, and poor sealing. Measure diagonal corners. If the lengths differ, the case isn't square. The maximum allowable variance is typically less than 1/8 inch on most case sizes. Score quality dictates how cleanly a box folds at high speeds. Scores should be deep enough for easy forming, but not so deep that they weaken the structural integrity. Quality cases feature clean, crack-free, point-to-point scoring, as well as even, centered scores, with consistent depth along the full panel. Inconsistent scoring leads to off-center folds and bulging flaps, which automation doesn't tolerate. The glue seam is the backbone of the case. Weak or skewed glue seams cause blowouts on the line. Overgluing causes stack-up and misfeeds. Inspect your cases for full coverage from top to bottom with the manufacturer's joint, clean adhesion, no voids, wrinkles, or overrun. Ensure the seam width aligns with the spec, typically a minimum of 1 1/4 inches. Glue seams should be straight and not crooked. If the joints aren't glued perfectly straight during manufacture, the box can open out of square in the case erector. Test case adhesion by trying to peel the seam apart. If it delaminates the liner rather than separating cleanly, that's a strong bond. Uniform flaps are essential for proper sealing, whether with tape or hot melt. Misaligned or uneven flaps prevent closure and cause adhesive failures. The flaps should be cut square and uniform in length. Each case should have no fishtailing, overhang, or significant warp, and all 4 flaps should lie flat when closed, especially the major flaps. Warped or stiff flaps delay sealing or trigger error senses in automated systems. Ensure all major flaps are shy cut so they don't overlap. Die cuts must be clean and accurate. Any sloppiness here can cause feed interruptions or create dust and debris that gum up machinery. Inspect cases for sharp, clean edges, no feathering or overcompression. Check proper slot depth and width. Die cuts should go just past the score line by 1/8 of an inch. Slots that are too deep can weaken the case. Too shallow, and they won't clear guides during forming. Always confirm die cuts are within the drawing spec and ensure consistent die cut placement relative to the score lines. Finally, check the material itself. Corrugated board must have the right thickness, burst strength, and stacking strength for your application. Always confirm that case dimensions are consistent throughout the run. Confirm that the board grade matches specification and that there is no delamination between liners and fluting. Be sure to let your corrugated supplier know that your cases will be running on automated equipment. Most will produce those orders to tighter tolerances upon request. A well-constructed RSC doesn't just look good, it performs flawlessly at every stage of automation. By inspecting squareness, scoring, glue seams, flap integrity, die cuts, and board quality, you ensure your cases run clean, fast, and with maximum uptime. Remember, a high-quality box is not a luxury, it's a requirement.